My name is Lawal Hamida. I studied botany in Lagos State University, and I also have some knowledge of data analysis with using Tableau and Power BI. I enjoy going to new places, meeting new people, helping those that are in need, and I also enjoy reading.
I'm Rauf Muritala, and I have a background in biochemistry from Lagos State University. I enjoy lifelong learning, and I'm passionate about data science. So what I find intriguing is learning new things and standing up to new challenges.
Hi, I'm Ichematu Gifts. I hold a degree in information technology. I double as an IT project coordinator and cybersecurity analyst. Beyond my professional responsibilities, I like outdoor games and indoor games also, like badminton.
I have faced some challenges, particularly with having to master some algorithms and then some coding techniques. I also faced the challenge of electricity in my area and bad network. So I was able to overcome this challenge by having to dedicate time for study with my instructors, my colleagues, and also on data camp. So with the electricity, I tend to visit a relative that stays close by whenever I want to use my gadgets, my system, my phone, and also that of network. And thanks to Blossom Academy, they tend to do a recorded session of every of the class. So whichever class that I miss, I go back to study, and it has really been helpful.
I have faced a couple of challenges during the program. What stood out especially was the fact that I was a little bit hard for me getting some advanced statistical modeling. However, with the help of my colleagues, and also what was really helpful was the platform which were embedded on by Blossom Academy. I found data camp to be really helpful to help me with these challenges.
Okay, I've leveraged the skills I've learned so far from Digital Africa. I'm currently doing a research on deploying machine learning model to address inflation and exchange rate issues. This technology will help policymakers make informed decisions and monetary policies.
I'm working on a data-driven tool that will help those that have small businesses in my community to thrive in a way that would work on the customer behavior and also sales pattern. So this is going to help them to improve their sales and also be effective in whatever they are selling.
I have leveraged the skills I've gained here learning from Blossom Academy to impact my community positively. So what I've done basically is when people want to get into the data field, it is very hard to know the proper channel to go into. It is always a question of, should I go into data analytics, data science, data engineering? From the experience I've gained here, I am able to mentor data enthusiasts and to give them advice based on their interests.
This data science program came at a crucial time when I'm actually doing an advanced degree. And the skills I've learned so far has helped me to understand data in a different perspective in terms of analytics, critical thinking, and also decision making.
With my love for having to help people, my long-term goal is to be a data-driven problem solver in the healthcare sector. With the knowledge and skills that I've acquired in Blossom Academy, I would use this to improve patients' outcome and also to improve operational effectiveness in the healthcare sector.
This data science program perfectly aligns with my career goals. Right, I intend to become a data scientist, specifically in the financial sector, and the skills I've gained here with Blossom Academy have impacted in me the right resources to solve data-driven problems. Right, problems such as detecting customer attrition, detecting frauds, amongst others, can actually be solved using data.
Thank you, Blossom Academy and Digital Africa, for giving me this opportunity.
I pledge to use my social media page to promote Blossom Academy and Digital Africa, and also extend to other fellows who are intending to apply.
For people who are interested in going into the data profession, I strongly advise you enroll with Blossom Academy. The experiences are very amazing. You get to network with individuals from different backgrounds. You get to be onboarded to platforms such as Data Camp where you can actually advance your learning. You are going to enjoy your experience.